What's going on, everyone? Chuck here, and I hope that you are having an awesome day today. I have been challenged, kind of, probably, maybe, by B. Davis of a long time coming to do the hashtag lawn egg drop challenge. I just aerated and overseeded on Saturday, so 2 days ago. You can actually watch that video this Friday, October 11th, which is also my birthday. Subscribe to my channel to watch it. So if you watch my other video, I dethatched. So it is very thin, it is very short. It's at 1.5 inches. It's got dirt all over the place, dirt exposed, so I don't have very much confidence in this challenge, but I'm a good sport. I mean, this is all just for fun, right? It's not a competition or anything. Let's just throw it. My lawn does slope down, so I'm at the tallest point of my lawn, so that way I'm not cheating. So let's give it a good chuck. My name. Oh. I honestly didn't expect that. Let's go take a look. You can see there is some peat moss down, but it landed up here somewhere and then rolled down the hill. Did it survive? It survived. Well, won't you look at that? Now, the test is throw it over there. So this is the strip. I have thrown topsoil down on it, also is aerated and overseeded. To watch me throw soil on it, tune in tomorrow where I actually show that video. So subscribe to my channel to watch it. But anyway, there is a patch over there that doesn't have any topsoil, so let's throw it over there and see what happens. I didn't expect that either. Let's go see. I'm walking all over my baby seed. Look at that. It survived. Now to prove that it's not a hard-boiled egg, not a hard-boiled egg. I'm honestly surprised. Probably a number of reasons why that happened. I have been watering because I aerated and overseeded. It looks like it's gonna rain. Hasn't rained yet, but it's been watered, so maybe the watered soil and the humic acid and stuff has helped. Maybe the dethatcher, the Sunjoe didn't get as much of the dethatch, so maybe there's like a little half-inch layer of thatch where it landed. I don't know, but I'm honestly surprised. So I guess the next step is I have to challenge somebody. So the problem is everybody that I've watched, I think, has done it already. If you haven't, I missed you, I'm sorry. But let's do budget lawns. Can you spare in your budget the cost of an egg to do this challenge on that nice Arkansas Bermuda? And then I recently saw from Mostly Green, he shared a post from A's Lawn and Landscaping that he hasn't been challenged. So Aiden, let's put it on that lawn of yours with your 17 aerations and overseeds. Yeah. No, seriously, that's really cool that he worked that hard. But anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you all liked it. Remember, tomorrow I'm doing the video where you see me put down all this topsoil. Then Friday is my aeration and overseed video. So please subscribe to the channel to just watch those if you want. But anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you all liked it. I'll see you on the next one, and God bless.